In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dall-E 3 to generate image in Perplexity. Here's the straightforward truth up front. You can't directly select or force Dall-E 3 inside Perplexity anymore, even if you're on a paid plan. Instead, Perplexity uses a default image system and quietly decides which image model to use for you. Your job is simply to prompt well and let it handle the rest. Start by keeping your model on the default text option. That typically means choosing a general text model such as GPT 5.4 or Gemini 3.1 Pro. Don't spend time hunting for Dall-E 3 in the list because it won't appear. Perplexity separates text models from image tools, and the image generation model is chosen automatically when your prompt asks for an image. Now craft a clear image prompt. Be direct about what you want and include the subject, style, and quality. For example, try something like generate an image of a futuristic city at sunset, ultra realistic, 4K, or create a logo of a lion in minimalist style, black and gold. Using trigger phrases such as generate an image, create an image, or make a picture helps Perplexity recognize that you're asking for visuals, not just text. Keep your wording straightforward and specify details that matter to you, like mood, color, or level of realism. Send the prompt by pressing enter. If your account supports image generation, Perplexity will automatically create an image and choose the best available model internally. You won't see which system it picked, and that's expected behavior. If no image appears, it may be due to account, region, or feature availability. Rephrasing to clearly request an image can also help. When you see an image you like, click it to open and save it. Downloading is the cleanest option, but a screenshot works if downloading isn't available. This keeps a copy you can reuse or edit elsewhere. Here's why all of this uses the default approach. Dall-E 3 is not a selectable model inside Perplexity. Only text models like GPT 5.4 or Gemini are listed. Perplexity runs an automatic model system for images and may use a Dall-E type model, a GPT image model, or another provider depending on availability. Even with a Pro plan, you get strong capabilities but not granular control over the exact image engine. Perplexity's priority is search, answers, and research workflows, not advanced image tool selection. Finally, features roll out gradually, so some users may see image options before others based on account, region, or updates. That's it. Stay on the default model, write a clear image prompt, send it, and save your result.